What's up YouTube, Crafting Cards here, happy Tuesday. Think you already know what's up. Grab your popcorn, let's get on our way. Now if you've been following along, you know we're making some killer progress. So far everything's gone smoothly. So far there has been no stress. Now I already got my heater on full blast because it's super freaking cold out. It ain't gonna stop us today though. I want to get these cams out. Now this cover's got to go, as well as these plug wires. Be careful with these unless you like misfires. Now we'll remove the bolts and washers and take this cover off completely. I went and grabbed myself a bag so I can store my hardware neatly. Now let's remove this valve cover. Oh dope, the gasket's still intact. I think I'll move all this shit to the top of my storage rack. Damn right. And don't reuse the rubber. Now I got some good news. I think we're in luck. Both the cams look good, just the bottom end's fucked. Nice. So here's my timing belt and the plastic that covers it. We'll remove it with the 10 mil, just like most of this Honda shit. Now let's remove the distributor along with these wires. This ain't OEM shit, check the paint, it's a Dragonfire. Now you'll need your 10 and your 12 to remove these cam caps, remove the bolts from the center, and just pray they don't snap. as easy once you slip off the timing belt. Really is a shame I never got to see how they felt. Now I do want to take the head off, but I am a little nervous. I don't want to fuck something up and scratch up the mating surface. So I'll give Gideon a call, let him know where I'm at. We'll just lift the head off together. Stay tuned for that. And that's a good stopping point for today, or for some of you subscribers, tonight. My car's Battleship Gray. You may have noticed I'm white. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and you know I'll reply. Well, until next time, bye-bye.